What's up, traders? John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Beyond Meat on the daily, weekly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, please like the video. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. All right, Beyond daily chart. 57 cents up, 32 cents down after hours, 5.9 million shares traded, 0.40% on the day, green on the day. Holding 139, guys, right at the 50% retrace from this high to that low. So right now, not much to do. We were short, we covered, we're out, and no position at this time on Beyond. If it moves up again, we'll look to short calls, maybe buy puts. We'll have to see how this one works. But man, working like a dream. Comes right up, shoots. Volume comes in a little bit, breaks the all-time high, keeps going. Everyone's like, yeah, they're cheering it on. CNBC's pumping it, and now they're not even talking about it. Everybody's in. Look at all the volume. Some of the smart money came out. Some of the dumb money was like, oh, earnings. And then earnings, they brought it down, and then really down, sideways down. Let's see where this one goes. If it holds in this lower range, right around the 50% retrace, this could sell lower, okay? Gap fill, gap window. That doesn't hold, then you're going down here to $100. That doesn't hold. Look out below, guys. So just saying. If you're bullish on this one and you bought somewhere up in here, just be real careful with this name. This is an IPO. This could do anything. But come on, you know, it's Beyond Meat. You know, hello, 45 to 240, way too fast. Let it come down and then maybe buy the dip. All right, you don't want to be stuck in one of these where it's 45 and going lower, and you're like, damn, but they keep saying it's supposed to be good. All right, let me pull up an example. If it's the first time you're watching one of my videos. Remember GoPro? They talked about this one, how good it was going to be. Look at that, $100. $100. It's at $4. And me too. I was like, wow, this GoPro, holy crap. I'm going to have to buy one of those. That's like the way it's going to be. Nah. I mean, they're great, don't get me wrong. Awesome for videos, awesome to do stuff with. But wow, they just kicked this stock right in the you-know-what. They were pumping it. Look what they did. They brought it down, hit double bottoms. Technical analysis, guys. I mean, it's bouncing for a reason. Why? Look where the IPO'd at. Held up, and everyone's like, "Oh, told you so." And then let's see how far the retrace got. I'm sorry, I'm like bouncing around today, but let's see. Let's see. Look at that, 382. It's all bounced. Couldn't even get to the 50% retrace, and lights out. And that was it. They took everybody out right there. Sorry. And then everyone's hopes and dreams. Oh, and that it's at the lows. Maybe a buyout candidate. Maybe. We'll see. It's at 4 now. Wow. This is make it or break it for this one. So, but anyways, just be careful with the IPOs. This is a lesson learned on this one. And there's stocks like the AAOI. Oh gosh, they were pumping this one on stock twits everywhere. Oh, And then when it was going up, they were like, yeah, everyone was piling in here going, oh my gosh, it's AAOI. And then it's down here, and it's like, what's AAOI? What do these guys do? You know, they don't even know what they're buying up here because everyone else is buying it, and then they just slapped them. You get a candle like this, guys, that's never good. Remember, look at this. Remember, engulfing candle monthly chart. All right, never good. Let's go to the Beyond. All right, monthly chart's not over, but let's go to the weekly. Same thing as the monthly, right? Month or weekly engulfing candle closing below, never good. I mean, this could be where it stops and we get the retrace. All right, let's take this. Let's put it to the last low down in here. I want to put it right there because that's where it's holding up pretty good. All right, but that's the low, 136.19. So right now we're still below everything. So if we retrace, this is going to be more of a short term. So we'll be watching for, you know, 200, maybe 213. I don't, honestly, guys, I don't know if it's ever going to get back there. I don't want to be doom or gloom, but man, this is one of those where I really don't know. You saw GoPro, you saw AAOI, plenty more like that, guys, that just keep coming down and down. This was another one we shorted here. Why? Someone brought this up that, hey, Bookie, look at this one. And I'm like, all right. I was like, wow, why? Like, okay, I remember shorting this one around one, you know, up in here somewhere. I don't know the exact prices, but this was in beginning of 2018. I was like, what? Same thing. Look, looks like a shop, huh? Up. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's why? And then, Graham. Look at this, though. This is make it or break it. If you're long in this one, guys, this is the area. If that cracks, you're going to $30. You go to 50, 40. you have a pivot here, but ultimately markets give, everything goes. You're going to 30 and lower. So be careful with why, especially if you're trying to go long. All right, let's go to Beyond. Monthly chart a little ugly. I mean, if we close down in this area on the monthly, we still have a couple weeks left, but my gosh, just be careful. Just be careful. If you have to trade this one, this is also key to this stock. Light positions, small positions. Don't be loading the boat. A lot of people made a lot of money. A lot of people are giving it back a lot of money. And then they're saying, damn, I wish I would have sold. 100-point move down, guys. $100. If you bought at 50, you sold it 230. 220. That's $80, guys. You know how much ground you're making up if you bought the dip? Even if it goes lower, now your average price is like 20. If it goes lower, just whatever you sold here, don't buy all in again. Let it buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip at, gaps, gap windows, gap fills. Don't just buy it because you're doing it. Because if it goes through this area here, guys, there's no support here all the way up until about 108. 109 area. And if it's coming straight down, it's going to 100 and then maybe lower. So, and waiting for a pattern. Take a deep breath if you're long. This is your turning point right here. Bulls, you got to start going up. If it starts chopping, then you better watch out. All right? Markets too. SPY, IWM, those continue higher, this will have a better chance going up. SPY, everything dump, like it's been nuts lately, guys, up and down action. But if the SPY dumps, this will continue to go down. It might be a lagger where the SPY's dumping 2 days, 3 days in a row, and all of a sudden this one takes off. Like this. Dow was down 800 this day. Didn't even move. Right there, a little bit down, I think it was. And then the next day it was like, oh my gosh, what happened? So, but that's a good area. So, all right, that's going to be it for these. Check out my other videos. I just did one on Apple and Tesla. Check that one out. Don't forget to like the video down here, guys. Subscribe. Join up. $30 a month. I've been killing it. We rode this one down. We had puts. We did a couple other things on this trade. And, gosh, Beyond. This is going to be interesting if this area holds. We retrace. We'll be looking for another short. Or better yet, if it goes down, I'll be looking. I don't know if I can do the buy the dip on this one. It's an IPO. There's not a lot here. If we had more back in here and more gaps and more pivots and stuff. But if this thing comes right back down to lows, look out, longs. Take some money. Gosh. All right, that's going to be it. I don't want to be doom and gloom anymore. But ugly, ugly action, guys. But $100 pullback, so let's see if we get the bounce. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.